winter. I'm watching the fairy dogs. Fairy dogs are cute and they're so little, like baby dogs, but they're even tinier.
Hello, young scientists. Welcome back to our weekly wonder. Simon and Gus love looking out the window to see what they can see. Sometimes they see lizards, sometimes they see little rodents, sometimes they like to watch the birds. This week, we're exploring how do we learn more about the world around us. The first thing that scientists and naturalists do is observe. They take a notebook and they watch. They look at things around them. So what we did this week is we spent a lot of time outside. We looked at different plants. We looked at different bugs. We looked at different animals and we took notes. We listened for different sounds in our neighborhood. We looked at big things and we looked at small things to try to notice the world around us. Come with us to see what we discovered this week.
Here's one. This is made for a snake or a fairy dog. Right here. Then I saw a blood fly and a bug and ants. I drew a barrel cactus and I noticed that its hooks are very curved. That eat the food. And other ones not have a food. We saw a prairie dog. It was staring at us. It was like crouched down and staring at us.
To understand the world around you, one thing is essential that you do. You've got to observe. If you don't really pay attention to the world around you, you can't understand it better. To observe nature like a naturalist, if you have a camera on you, you can take a picture and look at all the details very closely. Or you can draw a picture, you can jot down notes, and it's most helpful to have something you can refer back to. Pay attention to some smaller things, like where it's living, the world around it, maybe what it eats, to gain a greater understanding of the thing you're looking at. So once you observe and you have your notes or drawing or picture, you can look up on the internet information. You can use a book. You just take that animal and look it up for greater information to understand the world better around you. We found out that the prairie dogs we looked at and took pictures of are not even actually called prairie dogs. They're called round-tailed ground squirrels.
Okay, once again, it's your turn. Download our data collection sheet, and this week, spend some time outside or looking out the window. What do you see? Whether you live in a rural community, in the suburbs, or in the city, there's wildlife all around you. Take notes, draw pictures, and send your sheets back to me at danny@scarcef.org. Once you've observed and you're ready to take that next step to do some more research, have an adult help you go online and go to a reliable nature website. One that we love is www.inaturalist.org. It's a great place to learn more about the plants and animals around where you live.